Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Gordon. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome to the Funnel Tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start! The other racer has taken the lead. You've taken the lead. Final lap. Quick, tap the special boost button. Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete the cog wheel to upgrade this engine. Thomas versus Mia. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome to the Funnel Tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start! You've taken the lead! Final lap! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it, a complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade this engine. Starting boost. With this